back to my channel. My name is Jessica if you're new here, and if you are a returning subscriber, hello and welcome. Today I'm going to do a little haul slash unboxing of a handbag brand that I recently discovered called Sinbono or Sinbono. I'm not really sure exactly how to pronounce it, but it basically is an affordable, cruelty-free vegan handbag line that is really awesome. I've got some very on-trend handbags to share with you all. If you love affordable fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and travel, that is something that I talk about a lot over here on my channel. So make sure if you're not already subscribed and you're interested in looking your most chic and on trend but on a budget, that you go ahead and hit that red subscribe button right down below. And then while you're there, you just probably want to ding the notification bell because, you know, that way you don't miss any of my videos when they come out, right? If you enjoy my content here, you might also want to find me over on Instagram or TikTok. I am Miss More Style literally on all the social media platforms. I have them all linked right down below for you. You can check them out and connect with me on one of your other favorite social media platforms. All right, Sinbono reached out to me and asked me if I'd like to do a little review slash unboxing on my channel. And when I took a look at their bags, I was like, yes, please. They have so many cute, very like minimalistic, but also like very stylish handbags on their website. So a little bit about Sinbono before we get into the bags. They are a vegan designer handbag brand. They're committed to keeping all of their materials eco-friendly and also cruelty-free. So if you're looking for a great alternative to leather handbags, or if you want to be a little bit more sustainable in your fashion choices, you really are going to love this. Sinbono uses recycled plastic bottles and also reclaimed fruit leathers to create the material that they use for their bags. They also take a lot of great care to create handbag styles that will be resistant to shifting trends. So they'll be classic bags that you could use for years to come. They're supposed to be very well made, very durable, so they can stand the test of time. Their sort of philosophy is buy one and buy well. I'm sorry, this freaking leaf blower outside. Comment down below and let me know if you live in a city where they just seem to have leaf blowers all day, every day, around the clock. Anyway, the idea is to buy one but buy well. So you buy like fewer things, but buy things that are going to be amazing and that you're going to use over and over again and that you'll want to keep using over and over again. So if you're interested in shopping any of the bags that I'm actually going to show you today, I will have them all linked down in the description box below, and I also will have a promo code for you guys down there so you can save a little bit of money on your purchase. Let's get into the bags that I got. Enough chit chat. So here is the packaging, how the bags arrive. Honestly, they kind of look like they're in shoe boxes, but I don't know if you're going to be able to see because of how the lighting is in here, but it's like a really, like, kind of looks like marble a bit. I'm going to pop this open, and inside they have the bag with inside of a little dust bag. And then, ooh, which one is this? Voila! Okay, so this bag is called the Amelia. You can see they've got brand logo sort of embossed right there in gold, but it's not like super obvious looking. So I'm gonna open this up. Now here is the interior. It's got this sort of like very nice like faux suede lining. I know a lot of people's concern is like the smell of vegan leather bags when they get them. It has kind of a slight smell, but it's definitely not as potent as other bags that I have bought before that are vegan leather. This is super cute. Obviously it needs a strap, so they've got these little gold knob, I don't know if you call them knobs, sort of buttons. So I'm just going to attach this really fast. Oh my god. If I can. Holy crap. It's like hard to, it's really hard. Oh, oh my god. This is really difficult. Hold please. Okay, I feel like such an idiot because I thought I had to take this off in order to put it on the sides, when in reality the little hardware are like sort of like big clasps, so that can go in, so I can literally just take this and string it on there. Wow, Jessica. I think they do this also because if you go on their website, they also sell like different straps that you can buy to like accessorize your bags. There were some that I had my eye on that were like pearl straps that you could buy to go on your bag, which I think would be so cute. But it is super cute. So I'm just going to show you like an iPhone. This is not an iPhone, but it's about roughly the same size as one. So it fits right in there and plenty of space. and definitely plenty of space to put like your keys, small little wallet, lipstick, little powder, just like your essentials. This is obviously not like a big bag, but I think it's a really cute size, perfect for going out at night, or maybe you're somebody who doesn't really carry a whole lot of stuff with them day to day. I personally don't. I've gotten pretty used to just carrying like just the little essentials and not having a huge purse for the most part. Love this like faux crocodile embossed vegan leather. It's so cute, and I just really liked this like ice blue color. I didn't have any handbags in this color, so I was really drawn to it. And if you're looking for like fun, colorful handbags, they have so many fun colors and like very on trend colors, which you're gonna see in the next two bags I'm gonna show you. So the next one I already unboxed because I took this one out when I was trying to figure out the strap for the other one. This one, I do have to say, the little adjustment buttons, the strap comes off and onto them so much easier than the Ava. But this is the Evelyn shoulder bag, and as you can see, I got it in this really pretty lilac color, which I feel like is very on trend for like the last couple years. Again, you can see it's got their little Sinbono brand logo right there, but it's very minimal. It's not huge. And I really love this really pretty like ruching design. This really reminds me a lot of like the Bottega Veneta bags that have become so popular in the last couple years. And again, this is vegan leather. Like I said, it also has the removable and adjustable strap. It has the same mechanism as the other one with the little gold rings that open and close, so you can easily take this strap on and off. And again, you can interchange it with some of their other straps that they have on their website. I actually kind of want to take a look at that and just see what they have. Got like really cool like gold chain, like chunky gold chain that are very Bottega looking straps that you can buy in different colors. Like they have gold, they have like a tortoise one, they have ones that are pearls, they have like finer like gold chain straps that are longer, so maybe you could use this as like a crossbody if you wanted. You could attach the gold chain to it. I personally have quite a few different chain straps that I interchange throughout my bag, so I definitely am going to try it as a crossbody with one of my gold chains. I feel like that would look really cute. But I just have to say, like the faux, like the vegan leather going on here is so buttery soft. It feels so good. I mean, I know, like, comment down below if you feel me, but I feel like sometimes vegan leather can feel very cheap and very like plasticky, but this really, I feel like, mimics the feeling of real leather. It feels so good. I feel like it looks so good. Here is the zipper hardware, and this one zips shut. The other one was a magnetic closure. The zipper works great. I feel like it's a really pretty gold. It doesn't look super cheap. And when you open it up, you've got, again, that vegan or faux suede interior. You've got a big little big pocket right here on this side of the bag, and then this is just the one little interior pocket, and the rest is there. This is also, again, let me grab my phone just so you can see how like a big phone would fit into there. And yeah, it's got plenty of space. Again, this is not a big bag, but it would fit about the same amount of things as the Amelia did. Essentials, your little small wallet, car keys, lipstick, a powder, and then you're good to go. So again, perfect little going out night bag, or if you are like me and you don't really want to carry a whole bunch of stuff during the day, this is a great size. And again, this color is so on trend. I'm so excited to use this. Some of my future videos that I have planned where I'm going to do like different fall outfit color combinations. This is like literally exactly the color bag that I was missing from my wardrobe to make some really fun outfit videos. So stay tuned for that. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see that video. All right, so the last bag is my favorite. I saved my favorite one for last. It's a little bit bigger, as you can tell. This one, the box got a little bit damaged in shipping, but you know what, whatever. Again, it's in that kind of like marbly looking situation. Again, in a dust bag. The Evelyn one from before also came in a dust bag, but again, I messed up sort of the unboxing of that one. I'm very sorry. But look at this. Sorry, I'm a nerd. This is the Ava bag, and it is in the grass green color. They have another green that's a little bit more dark green. I wanted this because I feel like this green, this shade of green is everywhere lately, and I've been craving a bag in this shade of green, and I finally got one. I've been looking at this bag, like similar ones on Amazon, so I'm so excited that I finally got one in this style. But as you can see, it's not an adjustable or a detachable strap because it's sort of like a, I guess you would call this like a hobo style. I don't even know if that's the correct term, but it's got this very like ruched, crinkled up faux leather, vegan leather strap. And then again, kind of like the Evelyn, it's got a little bit of that ruching detail throughout. You can see Sinbono is right there in gold, as it is on all of their bags. And then it kind of has like a little bit of like magnetic like closure to it. Like once it's got like some wires and it sort of like snaps itself shut. So if you're in a city, if you're concerned about people like pickpocketing you, stealing anything, this bag like really like it just goes shut like right away, so there's no fear of that. The inside is the same faux suede as the other bags. It's got one like open pocket here, and then it's got another zippered pocket on the other side of the bag. I love this. Again, like the Evelyn, it just feels so buttery soft. This color is just so on trend, and I feel like this is a good size bag. Like when you open it up, there's a lot of room in there. So this is definitely one of their bigger sized bags, I would say. At Sinbono, they definitely have a lot more like smaller sized bags, but just stunning. And I think like this is a very like kind of minimal design, but it's still very fun, very visually interesting, and very like, you know, that Bottega sort of vibe. It's very inspired by those Bottega type of bags, and I just love it. This color is going to be like the it color of fall. So excited to have this bag and incorporate it into some of my outfits. I feel like I've been wanting to wear this with like bright pink, or wear this with lilac, with other shades of green. I'm thinking of so many outfits now that I finally have a bag in this shade. I'm just so excited. Again, make sure to check the description box below for my coupon code so you guys can save some money. And again, I have all the bags linked right down there for you all if you want to shop them or check out some of the other styles. Sinbono has so many other beautiful, very like minimal but chic handbag styles, and all their styles come in so many fun colors. So definitely check them out. Comment down below and let me know what you thought of these bags, or if you have another affordable designer-esque handbag company or brand that you really love and have discovered. Definitely comment down below and share with the class, because we're all here to look chic and expensive, but on a budget. That's about all for me today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment down below. Say hi. If you're not already subscribed yet, what are you even waiting for? You know you want to. We have a lot of fun around here. Before you go, I've picked a couple other videos for you to check out. So go ahead and watch a couple more videos. Give this one a thumbs up. It really does help me out so much. And I'll see you all on my next one. Bye.